All right, what's up, y'all? I'm here with Trip, who is 3, and Mom. Mom is taking the Toddlers Can Read course and is implementing some of the learning sounds lessons with Trip. So I'm gonna be here coaching Mom through a little bit of the lesson, see what she's picked up on from the course, and then to see what the options are for getting a little bit better with the teaching here. So I'm gonna hop here, and then Mom, if it's cool with you, if you can just kind of start however you typically kind of show the sounds at the beginning. And I'll hop back here.
Ready? What sound? Oh, try again. What sound is this? D. Good. Good. You say it loud so we can hear you. That one's tough. Good. You don't know that letter? Maybe we'll try again. I think you might know that letter. All right, let's see. Go ahead.
I don't know that letter.
Can you tell me that letter? Let's try it. Okay, we'll try it again. What letter is this? Good.
What?
Good.
I don't know.
We'll put it at the end. We'll just try again. Hey, come on. You have 2 left. One says B and one says G. Which one says
Ba.
which? Which one says B? Which one says G?
I don't.
Okay.
Okay, so how similar is that to typical? Is that knowing more or knowing less?
Knowing less. I feel like he's getting distracted.
Okay, so a lot of sounds there that he probably does know.
He
but he's not
does
saying
know
it.
that. Yeah, like okay, I can put the ones out. This one, he does get confused with D. He knows this one. He knows this one. He knows this one. This one he has said. This one, I actually wanted to ask you. He goes instead of, and so we're like every time. So we're working on that one still. And then, like I said, he gets these confused. He knows these 2 though.
Cool. So let's pull all the ones that you think he knows.
Okay.
That he didn't get. And then how do you normally sit with him? Is it this shape?
Yes. Here, scoot back a little bit. Oh. Sometimes he'll lay on his tummy. Sometimes he just. But I'm not gonna.
Can you try having your legs around him?
Yes.
This is gonna give him a little bit of a boundary.
Okay.
And then in terms of identifying the sounds and playing with them, you said that sometimes you do. Trip, do you need to take a little bit of a break? Here, we've got like 1 minute where I'm gonna talk to your mommy, so if you wanna play for a minute, you can, or do you wanna stay here and listen to us talk? You wanna go play for a minute? Okay, we have, I think, the astronaut helmet over there. We have a couple of toys next to the couch, okay? I'm gonna call you right back when it's time. Go quick, because we're gonna be right back. There's like a little bit of like the kind of body being around him, and then the games you typically play, are there games where he's hitting or?
Yeah, he'll do
identifying that?
hitting, or he puts like, he has cars at home. He'll put like the cars on top.
Perfect. So let's do that. My thought is like, there's a healthy amount of like kind of fighting it with them as like, I think that you know this. If he's not in the mood, he's in my house for the first time, there's kind of other stuff going around. I think that's fine. Okay. Let's let it go for now. I think that your instinct to push is right. Let's let it go for now and let's do identification games because that's gonna be a little bit easier for him.
You need to go potty.
All right, Trip. Here's the deal. I'm gonna take this right here because it makes a lot of noise. I'm gonna put it here and it's gonna watch you do your sounds at your mommy, okay? And when you do a really good job, it might go like this. Good job! Good job, you did good! Okay, and it's just gonna watch you. Sound good? Okay, I think the one thing is just to be a little bit more specific with exactly what you want him to do. So I think in the previous instance, it was like he wasn't taking a guess, even though you think that he knows it. If I have kids who like run away from me, it's okay. You're running away, so I'm gonna take this because this came to watch you sit still. Once you're sitting still and paying attention, then this comes back. Okay. So it's not at the end of the time, it's as soon as the behavior is met. Okay. And so as you do this, just watch. If there's any behavior that you don't think is as typical, name that behavior, and that's the behavior that you give the consequence for, and that's the behavior that he gets back for. Okay. So it's just a little bit specific.
Yes. Ready? You ready? Okay, now Mama's gonna put them in a line, and you wanna put puppy or train on them to tell me what sound it makes. You pick, puppy or train. Train it is. Your finger's good. All right, you ready? Let's do this.
Well, it's kind of shaking.
Your finger's kind of shaking? Okay. Put the train on the sound that says
Where is it?
You tell me. Which one says boom? All right, we're gonna, look, mommy's gonna trade it. You can try the train again after you put puppy on the sound that says. It's kind of distracting. Here, take puppy. He needs a little help. Good job. All right, can you put puppy on the sound that says
What are you?
You tell me. Whoa. Okay, what about the one that says X? Nice. All right, let's try some more. All right, now put puppy on the sound that says eh. Okay, the sound that says g. Oh man, that doesn't say g. Here, take puppy and try again. Thank you. All right, let's do it the right way. Or I'm gonna take puppy and you'll have to show me with your finger. Okay, put puppy where on the sound that says g. Thank you. Can you take it away? All right, put puppy on the sound that says k. Yep, put your card beside you. Okay, the sound that says k. All right, take it away. Can you put it over there? Thank you. Now, the sound that says.
Mom, I want to do one now.
Okay, do all of these and then we'll do one. The sound that says Thank you. Put it beside you in your pile. Your pile's getting big. What about the sound that says Yes, take it away. Now put it in your pile. Your pile's getting pretty big. All right, let's do them quick. Hurry. Let me see. Can I look at it? Ooh, yeah. Your puppy. Give it a kiss. All right, puppy needs you to show him the sound that says k.
Is it cool if I jump in with them?
Yes, please do.
He's almost there. Thank you. All right, Trip. All right, watch this. Okay, you want this one with you? Do you want this one with you? Do you want this one with you? Okay, there's rules to this, okay? There's rules. Here's the rule. When you say, I don't know, flies away. When you say, I'm not gonna do it, it flies away, okay? But when you take your best guess, even if it's wrong, Trip, that's okay. When you take your best guess, it stays right here and we do a blast off. Do you wanna try doing a blast off? Trip, do you wanna try pressing the button? Try it. Look at that. That's for doing your best work, okay? Now, let's give you a little bit of choice. Look at these, little guy. I got all these sounds. Pick 3 of these that you want to work on. Which 3 cards do you want? So this, I'm gonna say right there, this is what we play with after we do our 3 sounds, okay? So let's put this here for a moment. I'm gonna have you get it in just a moment. First, look at this. Pick 3 cards. Pick them up. Which 3 do you want? That one? Which other one? That one? Which other one? Let's pick one more. Good. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Let's get these, okay? Look at these. We're gonna do this one, and that one, okay? You ready for the rocket? It's time to go on a super secret mission. Here's what you're gonna do, okay? When you fly this, I want you to have it land on the sound. I don't wanna see it on 2 sounds. I wanna see it on 1 sound, okay? It can fly high up in the sky, or it can fly straight down like that, okay? You can fly it all around, but it has to land on what? 1 sound. Say 1 sound. 1 sound. Fly the rocket ship to the sound k. That's g. This one right here is k. Good job. Fly it to the sound g. Good. Now the sound k. I tricked you. Remember, k. It's right there. K, k. Good job. Now the sound g. Good. K. K. G. K. G. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Now there's 3. We have an emergency. Fly it to the sound that says ch. Oh, yeah. Now the sound that says k. Yeah, what does that sound say? Good, now fly to the sound that says J. Yeah! Oh no! Something bad just happened. There's something bad happening at G. We need someone to come save it. We need someone to fly to G. Can you find it? What sound did you land on? What sound is that?
Good.
Good. What sound do you want to go to next?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Go. And which one next? What's that sound say? Look at it. What's that sound say? That one is
J.
good. Good. J. Okay. So let's get rid of this one. You know this one really well. And let's just look at these two, okay? Good. Okay. We'll do a couple more rocket ships and I'll show it to you. Put the rocket ship on the sound that says good. Good. I'm gonna take this away for a second. Now I want to play slap, okay? Slap means hit. I want you to hit fast, okay? So if I say good, if I say good, good. There you go. And good. Good. Let me ask you a question, okay? What sound is this?
J.
Good. What sound is that? Good. What sound is that? The sound that said
G.
good.
Good.
Really good job. 2 high fives. Guess what you get to do? You get to blast the rocket. Gonna press it? Yeah. Okay. With Trip, he did a little bit of work with Mom. It went pretty well. I jumped in, and what I really tried to focus on is picking up the energy a little bit. And when I say picking up the energy, I'm not crazy, I'm not yelling, but I'm really trying to bring him in with me. So what I'm doing in terms of how I'm sitting mostly like this. I'm doing touch. And when I say physical touch, people get weird about it. This is just a little bit of touch. It's great job. It's high fives, right? It's having him feel that I'm in this with him, right? He's not gonna be more excited than I am. So I'm trying to smile, I'm being warm, I'm being really encouraging. If you go back and watch the video, if you count the ratio of how many positive things I'm saying to him, how many times I'm encouraging him versus how many times I'm correcting him, you'll see the encouragement is really high. You'll see the corrections are really fast. The biggest thing here that I think Mom can improve while she works with him, and Mom did a fantastic job, is just being really specific. So even if you have something where there's 3 sounds here that you're trying to get the kid to go to, I'm saying, okay, the rocket needs to land on 1 sound. Right? I'm putting them further apart. I'm being really specific about exactly what I want him to do. I'm specific about when he gets to press the button. I'm specific about when he gets to hold it. I'm specific about the volume of voice he needs to use. When he's sitting with me, there's nothing he needs to worry about in his head other than the directions I'm giving him. I'm not asking him to do anything crazy, nothing that's unfair. He literally knows, okay, I'm with Mr. Russell. Here's exactly what I'm gonna do. And he excelled. He did amazing. He was here for probably 8 minutes with Mom beforehand. And I know a lot of people are like, my kid can't sit still. My kid can't make it that long. If you look at that time versus this time, he's obviously more tired in this time. He's been here longer, but if you watch, the effort and the focus is better because of things I'm specifically doing with my body, with my energy, with my language, and with my directions. Working with kids is all about how we approach, how we enter the space, and the types of directions that we're giving them. So in this case, you, Trip, did a fantastic job. It was really, really nice to work with you. And are you ready to blast the rocket upstairs? You gotta use your words. Are you ready to blast the rocket upstairs? Okay, so me and him are gonna go to the rocket ship. I hope this video was super helpful for you, and I will talk to you soon.